Okay, this video is about trying to find the technology that's behind a website. And we would need to go through like a list of websites to find out what's running. And, like WordPress or Joomla or whatever is kind of behind, the technology there. So one easy way to do that is with this website, and we're going to start with this Guardian Roofing. So we just copy the link here on the spreadsheet, come over here to this technology site. I'm signed in as myself, and we just paste that in, and then you want to do a search on that. And then that comes up and says, okay, well, the CMS behind this is WordPress. So that's pretty handy. And that was pretty easy. So the other way to do this, if you run into problems or if it doesn't work, or if you just want to verify it, you can go to a Chrome instance and, paste in that URL and just do anywhere on here, just do a right click and inspect. Open the inspector, and there's a sources right here on the dev tools here, sources, and you can see that WP content, that's a clear indicator that this is a WordPress site. You can even kind of dive in here and see what theme, their uploads. I mean, it could be pictures, everything. You can discover that. So that's another way of this, discovering what the technology is. Okay, so that was WordPress. We're just going to go back here and say WordPress. It's running WordPress. Next one is Guardian. Let's see. Same kind of guy there. Let's go to this one. Copy link. We're going to go back to home. Type in this one. And this is another WordPress site. And let's go back and see. Oh, that's the case in there. We just inspect, go to sources, and sure enough, there's the indication that there's WordPress right there, WP content. So we're just going to go back to this and document that as WordPress. So this next one is Port Orchard Roofing. Copy that. Go back to home. Oops. Oh, we had trouble doing that. So let's try over here on Chrome. And we're going to inspect this. This one also is a WordPress website. It's running Divi, the Divi theme. That's interesting. So, and we can also verify that sometimes you can just do like WP admin, and there you go. It's running WordPress for sure that way. So, I don't know why it had problems, but sometimes they do. So WordPress, you can't always rely on these tools because sometimes it depends on the firewall, probably running on the hosting site, and then also it could have something to do with just a kind of a customized theme that is messing with this discovery tool. So let's go to the next one here. Another WordPress site. Let's see if we can get one that's not. Fortunately, most most websites these days are on WordPress, so there's quite a few. Another one. Let's try this one. Yep, another WordPress site. You can cover these pretty fast, obviously, and this tool allows you to do bulk loading. Another WordPress website. All right, well, this one had problems. Let's try this one. In Chrome, let's open the inspect here. This one looks like a WordPress site, but WP includes, that's like an indicator there. But there's a lot of stuff going on here. I don't know. Let's try. Yep, WordPress. So it's customized. It's probably a custom theme. So as you can see, kind of work through this. You can discover what they are in various ways. And a lot of times this tool is pretty handy. So if you need to do like a manual, you can always come here to indicate the sources and kind of discover what's behind the scenes just by the folder structure. You know, if it's Joomla, there's gonna be some Joomla folders and other technologies. If it's an ASPX site, that means it's running ASP.NET, and so that's going to be probably hosted on Azure or whatever. Anyway, so that's kind of how you go through this, and that's it.